It's the RAM Man. Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. My Ryzen 2600 just came in with my Gigabyte motherboard, so I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, it feels so good. Alright, we get the Ryzen 5 2600. We get the Gigabyte Aorus X470 Ultra Gaming motherboard. RGB lighting, of course. This is the part you all came for. Alright, now for the Ryzen chip. Get a nice little Ryzen sticker in there. Replace that one. And we have the stealth cooler. Actually doesn't look too bad. It's a little small. No copper on the bottom, but it'll get the job done. I'll be water cooling this build anyway, so it's not going to matter, but I can definitely use this for another build. And that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for my Core 2 Duo VR build. That's coming shortly. I'm working on that video right now. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.